Today I would like to teach about 3D surface. Actually 3D surface have a 3D face, primitive and meshes. So today I would like to focus on meshes in 3D surface. So before we start to drawing with a meshes command, we need to change our setting. So we go here, workspace switching. So we click and then we change from drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. And then after we change, we can show that meshes command is here. So click the meshes, and then I want to focus on type of meshes. So this one is four type of meshes, which is revolve a surface. The second one is edge surface. The third one is a rule surface. The fourth one is tabulated surface. So we go through one by one how to draw this command. So for revolve surface, actually we need to have the curve drawing, and then one exists for references. After that, we can use this command to do the revolve surface. Let's say for example, we type spline, enter. So we specify the spline, for example this one. Enter. We use line, specify first one, so we go for this one, and then we need to have one reference line. Okay, for example, we have this object and then we want to use the revolve command surface. So firstly, we need to join the object that we want to revolve. For example, we have two objects, one object, two object, and then one exists a references line. So for this references line, we no need to join. We just only join the object that we want to revolve. So join, enter. Which object to join? This one. The second one is this one. Any other object to join? No. Enter. So we can check either the object already joined or not. Yes, the object already joined. After completely this drawing, we can use the revolve command. So we just click revolve command, select object to revolve, select exit of revolutions. So from where this point to from where this point. So the circle degree of the angle is 360. So we can saw the object already revolved. We see that the length for the surface is quite large or big. So if we want to reduce the surface, we need to use surf tab command. So we need to set first surf tab 1, for example 50, and then surf tab 2, for example 50 also. So enter, and then we select the revolve command, we select this object, and then select the axis of revolutions from this one, from this point to this point. So the degree is 360. So we can see that the revolve object is very clear and smooth. This is for command revolve. For another command, we saw that this one, the edge surface. Actually, edge surface is the command that if we have four line and then each line is separated. Okay, for example, draw line, enter. Specify first point of line, this point, to, for example, length. I just select the length is around 800, enter. The second length is 600, enter. This one also 500, enter. This one also 600, enter. So we have four line. This one first line, this one second line, this one third line, this one is fourth line. So how to use the edge surface command? So we just click this one and then select object of the first object of the surface edge. So this one, second object this one, third object this one, and then fourth object this one. So we can saw that we can produce the edge surface with the with the surf tag length as we set already. So normally this one can we use in many types such as to build grill and so on. So the third command is a rule surface. So for rule surface, if we have a two line or arch or SP line, and then we need to join from one line to another line. So for example, I draw a line or click line at home also can. Okay, but I just type here line, enter. Specify first point, for example this point. So length 500, enter. Okay, so we need to have another line. For example, just copy the line for the other one. Copy. So select object to copy here, enter. Specify base point from this point. So what is the distance? For example, 400. So this one another line. If you have two line, two arch, two SP line, and then you want to join from line 1 to line 2, you can use the this command. So you can use the rule surface command. So after you already draw the line, so you just click the rule surface command. So you just click this point, first point, and then this second point. You need to make sure that you click the first and second line not greater than 90 degree. For example, if I use this command, rule command, so I click first line, location is here, and then the second line location is here. We can saw that the rule command will be not given as we need. So we make sure that the point we tick must be right. So this point and then this second point. So the last one is tabulated surface. So tabulated surface, actually we have two straight line with the angles, and then we need to join from one line to another line. We need to do a tabulated surface from one line to another line that have the degree. So for example, I draw the line, enter. So specify this line, first line. So this first line, this one is second line. So enter. So you just click this command, tabulated surface. So select the object, this point, and then the object, this point. So you can see that the selections of the object also will affect the result of the tabulated surface, because first line and the second line I selected greater than 90 degree from the line. So for example, we see that this one is a tabulated surface. If we choose from this line, and then this command is this line, so we can saw that the tabulated surface will be proper in the manner of the line. So that's all the basic of measures of for revolved, edge, tabulated, and also rolled surface. Thank you.